To take a COVID-19 booster shot or not, it's a debate raging around the world, one which has not escaped the WHO, which recently chided wealthy countries for authorizing COVID-19 vaccine boosters.
I understand the concern of all governments to protect their people from the Delta variant. But we cannot and we should not accept countries that have already used most of the global supply of vaccines, using even more of it, while the world's most vulnerable people remain unprotected.
A booster shot is a repeat dose of a vaccine. Immunologist Dr. Joanne White says this is usually given after having completed your primary series.
A booster is what would probably be indicated sometime afterwards, and that is because we suspect that for some people, we're not exactly sure how many or what proportion of the population will have waning immunity. So the protection that they had at the beginning after being vaccinated may wane, and we're not sure how to predict that.
Given that the COVID-19 vaccine is still fairly new, it is still uncertain when persons should get the booster shot as the studies are ongoing. But Dr. White pointed out that persons who have a weakened immune system are treated differently.
For them, a third dose is indicated. In that case, for them, it's completing their primary series. It takes 3 doses to complete their primary series, and it's not really a booster. They were not protected adequately with 1 or 2 doses, and a third dose is indicated. So persons with certain medical conditions that compromises their immune function, for those persons, it's indicated.
This is usually given 28 days after the second dose. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the ministry is guided by the WHO.
I can't comment on whether or not a booster shot is, you qualify for a booster shot a month after you've gotten your second dose, which is why it's important not to conclude on it. Booster shots may only be maybe applicable after 6 months, and therefore we'd have to look at that. So I continue to say the experts will have to make a determination on that.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.